pissing down out there. So we've got a leak coming through the door as well, which I'm fixing at the moment. I'm just in this little hatch, and I've got to put the outside sheet on the saloon doors just to close it up. But yeah, she's pissing down out there. So there's water coming in there above the stove from this window. There's water coming in down the companionway. There's water coming in the saloon door. Looks like we've got some maintenance to do. So, some lasagna from the next door neighbours that actually invited me over for a few beers yesterday. Then we got washed out in Vancouver today, which is I'm kind of grateful for, because I actually really need to do some washing. And I got to catch up with Cam, and then he's actually given me all of this big chest full of tools. They're pretty rusted out, but if I clean them up, they'll be fine. Saves me a couple $100, which is fantastic. Just going down the thrift store to pick up a few more because my toilet's leaking. Fucking toilet's leaking. New tools. So I'm just going through pulling out these spanners because I bought them today for $20, and I really need to fix this toilet. Yeah. I think it needs the tension of Alright, first day sailing. It's been like a week since I've had the boat, and I've just been doing maintenance and carrying on. Plus working in Vancouver has really been a bit chaotic, and so it's my first chance exactly 7 days after purchase that I've got Willow out. And we're just sailing up the Howe Strait, Howson, something like this. It's a beauty of a day. Got to get rid of that Canadian flag and put an Australian one on. Happy birthday, Mum, by the way. It's coming up to your birthday on the 5th. So, congratulations. You're on a budget, a bit of rice. Oh, damn. Wow.